The woodpecker is here, and he was down low. My new camera is lost in New York, somewhere in Brooklyn. So it looks like I'm going to have to reorder another one because it's like 8 days late. We'll see what happens. I'm going to sit here and wait. I just came out and he was on the tree. And he was down low, or we would have got a good shot at him. And I'm hoping and praying he's going to start using the box. Let me get everything straight. Shit, he took off to the telephone post. He's over there on the telephone post. See him up there? What's he gonna do? He's on top of the telephone post, guys and girls. I can't get any closer. If I get too far under the telephone post, we won't see much. Imagine there's ants up there. These telephone posts are 50 years old. You hear them? Do you hear the sandhill cranes? Should I try to get closer, guys and gals? I've got to go through the trees to do that. It won't be beneficial to us. I sure hope he settles in the new box I made. He's watching it all the time. I see him flying around it. You can tell when they fly, they look like an arrow. They go so fast. Not like a normal bird. You almost can't even see their wings flapping. Like an arrow shooting through the sky. Okay, guys and gals, we saw this. We're going to have to try to move in. Did he take off yet? He flew, didn't he? He must have heard the crunch. Oh well. It would have been nice if I could have got a little closer. I'm hoping that he was on the other side because they could be. He's up there. He's still up there, guys and gals. He's on the top of the wire. Man, I hope he doesn't get electrocuted. See him up there? The hell's he doing up there? We're in bad sun, so I'm going to walk in circles. It's going to not be very steady. I'm trying to get the sky behind me. Where'd he go? I would love to get the sun behind me, guys, so we could get a better shot. Not much we can do, just look at him. Pecking. I gotta get the stick down. I'm shaking like a leaf. I got the stick down. I'll get a better shot, but it won't be perfect. We'll just watch him, guys and gals. You use your pinch to zoom because I can't get any closer. Wonder what he's eating up there. He was in our tree and he called me. And I thought, that's nice, he called me. I don't know if you can see his red head. I can. What in the world? It's gonna be nice when he moves in that box. I got cameras I can put on it. Such a nice looking woodpecker too. They're so little when they're small. Set this thing still so I don't have to even hold it. Because that would be nice on my arms and you guys would get a better shot. It will hold it up. There he goes. See the flight? Oh, I'm sorry, I missed it. Sorry, guys and gals, there wasn't much to it. Ooh, he landed on the wire down there. Anyway, that was kind of semi-interesting. He's on the wire down there. I don't know if you guys can see him, but underneath that transistor, there's a wire going over to the house. And he's right smack in the middle there. I'll circle it, but I'm not going to keep it on him. There he goes. See the flight? It's like an arrow. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Up and running, guys and gals. Surely can't come out without walking over and saying hi to the little girl. We're going to get rain today. No mamas are coming for peanuts. I don't know what's up with the mamas. Little one, what are you doing? How you doing, little girl? Are you... I mean, she just doesn't do anything but eat. The woodpecker is settling in, guys. I gotta show it to you through the screen. Where is it? See it? It was just on top of the little feeder eating out of its private little feeder. No one else can get to it. The squirrels can jump from that tree to it, but then they don't know what to do, so they don't try it so far. Look at them. I gotta get out the door, but I'm afraid to open it. I want them to feel at home. There's peanut butter down there. I was trying to entice them with the peanut butter. I moved this camera. See the tilt cam? Where is it? Right there. I moved it over to there so we'll get a better shot. I still got the spider up there. He's not doing anything but sitting there. I gotta go for the door, guys. I'm gonna be as quiet as I can. We can't keep looking through a screen. I got it open. I can't let Ted out. That's what happens. I always never want to shut the door because it makes noise and then Ted gets out. Pretty soon we're there. We're almost out. We're out. Much better shot. Guys and girls, I haven't had time to adjust the pan tilt, so I don't know what it's looking at. I mean, I just got it in the ground because I started seeing the woodpecker, and I said, yeah, he moved in all right. Stupid squirrels were in the, I got that locked in. The squirrels were climbing in the whole box again today, and that's not good. That woodpecker is so pretty. I knew it was moving in. See, its original house. It's right there. I don't want to show you. I can't. I've lost the woodpecker now. Work my way to the chair. They still haven't fixed the roof on that house, and that's the metal that you hear ruffling. I can't sit. I gotta keep trying to get closer, guys. It looks better every time I get closer. Look at him. Red-bellied woodpecker. Some kind of Oktoberfest in Daytona Beach, and the highway's noisy as hell. What is he doing? Is he sleeping for crying out loud? I was so happy to see him on top of the pole eating out of his little feeder. I knew that would do the trick. And the bird box is the next step. He's got to get the squirrels away from it. They're kit squirrels, so they can fit in the hole, but when they get bigger, they can't. And they're too stupid. They keep just, kids. They're exploring everything. So it might be too afraid, but that's so nice. I'm so glad they moved in. I'm pretty sure there's 2 and a little one. They may just be expanding a little bit. I don't know much about woodpeckers. I know they look cool. We gotta push our luck, guys. Every time it turns, it's sad. Getting closer. Well, making some noise now. Is that the woodpecker, or is that a squirrel barking? You got the boat-tailed grackle, which I call laser, up there making noises. Man, it's cool. I didn't bring the stick, and I should have.